We are looking at SSCE March 2016 question paper, and this is mathematics. The section C, the first question is, in this figure ABCD is a square. This is a square of side 14. So this is size 14. So semicircles are drawn with each of this square as diameter. So these are all semicircles. 4 semicircles are drawn. You have to find the area of the shaded region. So what we can do here is, first we can find out the area of the whole square. That will be 14 into 14 side square, right? First this will be. Then we can take this semicircle. What is the area of the semicircle? This area will be pi r square by 2, right? Because we can take this one and we can take this one. So just 2 into pi r square, that will be pi r square. Pi into r will be 7. The diameter is 14. So 7 square. So if we subtract this whole from the square, we get this region 1 and 2. Similarly, if we multiply these two regions with twice, we get this also. This is what we have done. So area of square is 196, 14 into 14. So the area of semicircle, this one and this one, is this pi r square, pi into 49, that is 154. We subtracted it, we got 42. But this is these two regions. We want to find out these two regions also. So just multiply it by 2. 84 will be the answer. In this figure, a decorative block made up of two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. The base of the block is a cube of side 6. So this is the base 6, and the hemisphere, which is on the top, has a diameter of 3.5 centimeters square. Find the total surface area of the block. So what we will do here is, we will take the total surface area of this cube. We will add the total surface area of the hemisphere. Then we have to subtract this circle. See, this is a circle which is actually this hemisphere is covering. So we have to subtract this area. We will subtract this pi r square. So this is how we have to do. First of all, the area, this 6 into 6 into 6, this gives you 216. Subtract the pi r square, that is pi, 3.5 into 3.5 from here, and then add 2 pi r square. This is this total surface area of the hemisphere. So 2 pi r square. And if you find out, this will be 225.42. In this figure, ABC is a triangle, coordinates of whose vertices are this. These are the vertices, 0, 1. And these are the midpoints. D, E, F are the midpoints. So the points are given. Find the areas of triangle ABC and DEF. So ABC and DEF. So first we have to find this point. We know that this is the midpoint, so this will be, 1 will be equal to, say we take it as x, y. This is, say, A comma B. X is what? X plus 1 is what? 1 will be equal to x plus 0 by 2. X plus 0 by 2. And this 0 will be what? Y plus minus 1 by 2. So this gives you x and y. Here also you can find out A and B. How? This A plus 0 by 2 is 0. Midpoint. A plus 0 by 2 equal to 0. Again B plus minus 1. So B minus 1 by 2 equal to 1. So you get A, B and x and y. So you got this point, and this point can be found out using x plus A by 2 and y plus B by 2. This point. Now you got the point, you can easily find out the area by the formula we have. So the coordinates of B are 2, 1. This is 2, 1, as I just described. This is 0, 3. Not this will be 1, 2. So now you have the coordinate points. Find out the area of this, find out the area of this using this area formula. Now in this figure, two arcs PAQ, this is the arc, and PBQ, these are the arc. This is PAQ is the arc of the circle. It is a part of a circle with center O, with radius OP. This is the radius. While this PBQ is the semicircle on this PQ line, on PQ as a diameter with center M. If OP and PQ are 10 centimeter, if OP this is 10 and this is 10, OP and PQ are 10 centimeter, show that the area of shaded region is this much. So how to find out the shaded region? What we'll do here is, first we will try to find out the complete sector. We know that what is the formula of this. I'll just tell you. The formula of this we know, but we have to find out the area of this semicircle, and then we'll subtract this area from this. So this is the segment. We'll try to find out the area of the segment. See, first of all, the area of segment you can easily find out using theta into pi by 360 minus sine theta by 2 into r square. Theta is 60 degree. Just put it here. That will be theta by 360 into 60 degree minus sine theta. Sine theta we know, root 3 by 2 by 2, that is root 3 by 4, and r square, that is, r square is what? 10 square. This is the radius, 10 square. So you get this much, 10 square. If you can find out, this becomes theta by this pi by 6. So pi by 6 minus root 3 by 4, and 10 square is 100. So you get this if you multiply 100 inside. So this is the area of this segment. You can directly find out using this area I am talking about, this formula. The area of semicircle is what? This is half pi r square, and the radius is what? 5. So half into pi into r square, 25, 5 square, that is 25. So you get this. And now you have to find this region, so you have to subtract this from this. So 25 pi by 2 minus this area, this gives you the actual answer. If the sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49, and sum we know, sum can be given as, sum is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 7 terms, so n equal to 7 first you have to use. The sum is 49. First use 7 here, 7 here. Then the first 17 terms. So next time you use 289, sum is 289, use 17 here, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. You have to find the sum of first n terms. So as I told you, S7 will be 49, 282 is this 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1, that is 6d, this is equal to 40. Then 289, 2a plus 16d equal to 34. Solve this, you get a equal to 1, d equal to 2. And now again put in this a and d you just have found out, and you get the answer in the terms of n. This will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2. So you just solve this, this gives n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. So you get, this is minus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you can easily find out that if this is a equal to 1 and d equal to minus 2, there has to be this 2, and if you take it out, it will be n square. How? This 2n minus 2, this gets cancelled, this 2 gets cancelled, n square, this gets you n square. Now you have to solve this for x. So the best way is to do what? You can multiply first of all this, because this is 0. So we just need the numerator. So we will multiply 2x with 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, then x minus 3 with 1, plus x minus 3 with 1, and then x minus 3, 2x plus 3, plus 3x plus 9 by same term. And since these same terms are same, we can just add all these, and we can equate it to 0, because the denominator cannot be 0. So we are just doing 2x into 2x plus 3 plus x minus 3 plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. You can just solve this so that you can take this quadratic equation, x plus 1 2x plus 3, this is factorization, x becomes minus 1, x becomes minus 3 by 2. A well of diameter 4 meter is dug 21 meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of circular ring of width 3 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of the embankment. So a well is there. Now the earth is dug and it is spread around here like a ring here. So the height is the height of the well is given 4 meter, this 21 meter, and the diameter is also given. So h of this cylinder is 21. The diameter, that is the radius, is 2. 4 by 2 is the radius. So the volume of the earth taken will be equal to the volume of the earth being spread. So first we will find out the volume of this. We will equate it to what? This is the question. This is the complete embankment. You can subtract it from this region so that you get the embankment, and this will be the height. We don't know the height. So what we will do here is pi r square h, this one 21 into r square pi r square h, this is the volume being taken out. And what will be the volume of embankment? Pi into 5 into this, because this is 2 and the width is 3, so this will be 5, the outer ring. So pi into 5 into 5, pi r square into h, minus, you have to subtract this, pi into 2 into 2 into h. This you have to subtract, and you have to equate, because if you subtract this whole with this, you get this area region. Let me show you. You want this area, so you have to subtract this 2 from this 5. That is what this has been done. So this is 66h, equated with 264, you get h equal to 4 meter. The sum of radius of base and height of a solid side right circular cylinder is 37. That is the radius and base and height. If the total surface area of solid cylinder is 1628, find the volume of the cylinder. So we know that the volume is to be found out, and for that we need the radius also and h also, right? Now we know that the total surface area of the cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r plus h. This r plus h is given as 37. R plus h is given as 37. We can equate 2 pi r plus h as 1628. R plus h we can just place 37. Okay, so we can place 37 here, so we can find out the r. So r will be 7, and we know that r plus h equal to 37, so h will be 30. Now pi r square h, you just use this formula, because now r and h are known. This will be 4620 volume of cylinder. The angle of depression of top, this angle of depression of top, this is depression of top and bottom of a 50 meter building from the top of a tower is 45 and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower and the horizontal distance between the tower and the building. So let us take this as h. This is 50. This will be h minus 50. Take it as x. So first of all, we'll take this 1045. 1045 is this one. This 50. This will be h minus 50. Sorry, this is 50. So this will be h minus 50 by x. First is this. So 1045 is 1, so x becomes h minus 50. This is first equation. Second equation will be this. 1060 will be equal to complete h by x. Now you can place h minus 50 in place of x here. So 1045 is h minus 50 by x. X becomes h minus 50. 1060 is h by x, where this x can be taken as h minus 50, and we know that value of 1060 is what? So h minus 50 is h by root 3, and you can keep h here, place 50 here, h here, and the root 3 also value is given, so 118.25. In a single throw of a pair of die, different die, so we have 2 die. What is the probability of getting a prime number on each? Prime number means 2 here, 3 here, 3 here, 2 here, say 5 here, 2 here, like this. So the combination possible are 2 2, 2 3, 2 5, 3 2, 3 3, 3 5, 5 2, 5 3, 5 5. These are the numbers on both the die when they are prime. So they are in all 9 outcomes. And we know that these outcomes possible for this die is 6, outcome possible for this die is 6, the combination is 6 into 6. So 6 is 36. 36 is the total output. So this is the all outcomes. These are the favorable outcomes. 9 by 36, that is 1 by 4. How about total of 9 or 11? 9 can come when 1 is 4, other is 5. First is 5, other is 4. 11 come when 1 is 6, other is 5. 5 or 6, like this. So 3 6, 4 5, 5 4, 6 3. These are 9, and these are 5 6, 6 5 are 11. So how many favorable outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possible. These 6 are our favorable outcomes. Possible outcomes are 36. So 6 by 36 is 1 by 6. So this is the section C of 2016. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.